DME is an aircraft system that measures the slant range distance from aircraft to ground-based station. The DME can transmit and receive one of 252 channels, spaced at 1 MHz intervals. The channels are split into X and Y channel. Each channel have 126 channels. Each channel transmit and receive on frequency that are spaced 63 MHz apart. This is air-to-ground signal, while this is ground-to-air signal. The air-ground transmitted frequency are from 1025 to 1150 MHz, while ground-to-air transmitted frequency are from 962 to 1213 MHz. The pulse pairs transmitted from aircraft DME have a characteristic spacing depending on the channel frequency. The pulse spacing for channel with X spacing is 12 microsecond, while the pulse spacing for channel with Y spacing is 36 microsecond. The time delay for DME station to transmit signal back to aircraft is 50 microsecond. The X channel reply pulse pairs from the ground station are also spaced at 12 microsecond, but Y channel reply pulse pairs are spaced at 30 microsecond. DME channel is divided into X and Y channel. In the first 63 X channels, the ground-to-air frequency is 63 MHz below the air-ground frequency. And in channel 64X to 126X, the ground-air frequency is 63 MHz above the air-ground frequency. In the first 63Y channels, the ground-air frequency is 63 MHz above the air-ground frequency, and in channel 64Y to 126Y, the ground-to-air frequency is 63 MHz below the aircraft. An aircraft sends an interrogating pulse, and the ground station transponder responds by retransmitting a strong answering signal to be received by the aircraft. The DME equipment on board the aircraft converts the signal from the DME beacon into a digital readout of distance in nautical miles.